आकाशवाणी इम्फाल मोइरांगथेम इबेहाइबिना पाउ पाजरी नुमित 10 चथगदब 52 सुब इम्फाल बुक फेयर ngasiदagi Kaisampata leba State Central Library Complex ta hogre बुक फेयर asi State Central Library Department of Art and Culture na sinbani Lariki mela asida atai raja singdagi lakpa book stall 3 yauna punna stall sama hena hangdokani mela asi chatharingai manungda tongan ba thoramsing pangthokani larik phongba publisher amadi aiba singa unaduna wari saba marini sanba namita internet na library ki mahut sinba yaroi haibasida debating competition pangthokani tadukni sanba namita saitharol kumba bagi matangda quiz competition pangthokani masigi matangda atai namisingda career counseling khudakta lai yekpa sangdamnaba artisting unaba amadi capacity building gi matangda thorum kayamrum pangthokani lariki melasigi maru iba pandamdi academician mairoi aibi publisher amasung lariku nungsijaba miyosing saruk yaduna lamdam asida phangdaba larising mapalgi stall singdagi lehoba lamdam asigi ariba amasung atangba larising leibagi khudong jaba phanganbani mela asida hangliba stall khuding maktagi larik leiba matamda chada 15 discount pigani Spring Set Management hi matang da suba Interdepartmental Roundtable Conference Housing DM University Imphal gi PG Block ki Seminar Hall da pangthokre Dhanamajuri University amasung Raji gi Forest Bibhag na sindona pangthokwa thoram asida DM University gi Vice Chancellor Professor W Chanbabu Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Director Dr. T Priyokumar Singh Water Resources Bibhag ki Chief Engineer Y Homendra Singh Chief Conservator of Forest L. Jenta Kumar Singh Charuk Yaki. Thauramadu da Wangam da DM University Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chanbabu Hai.
Conservation of soil without educating the community and engaging them properly, spring set management will remain a great challenge in our society. If we have the proper spring set management, then we are going to address large number of our problems. One is, of course, is water scarcity. Second one is particularly the soil health. The third thing is all about water harvesting and quality water and making quality water available to our people.
Directorate of Health Services Manipur amasung State Health Society National Health Mission Manipur na National Newborn Week 2025 Raja Thaki oina hayang hangdoklagani hangdokpagi thoram asi Lamphel Patta leiba Directorate of Health Services ki NICM Conference Hall da pangthokani Sayol palan asiki theme di newborn safety every touch every time every baby haibasini hangdokpagi thoram aduda Raja ki Health Services ki Director Dr. N Hemanta Kumar Singh State Mission Director NICM Dr. M Dinesh Singh amasung Family Welfare Services ki Director Dr. N Vinod Singh Charuk Yagani Assam Rifles na Town Center Church Tamenglong ga khusamna na chinduna haukiba thangju numita Carol Night pangthokre thoram adu Christmas ki wakalon amasung furup manungda nungsi jana na hingminaba bu nungaiba phungdokpo ina sinbani NDA ga birodi MP singa wakan nangangnarakpadagi ngasi sangsat ki sabha nimaki thabak thoramda akaiba thoki Lok Sabha da sasak amasung birodi dolgi marakta tongan ba wafamda Kon kan nangangnarakpadagi sabhagi mifam nungthilpung ani phaw yaithoki Rajya Sabha da su sapmanaba phibam mayoknaki sabhagi mifam hek hobaga sabhagi luchingba JP Nada birodi luchingba Malik Arjun Kharge amasung Congress ki makok thongbi luchingbi Sonia Gandhi na lale haijagadabani haina dabi tawki Mikhal gi mau matau semdokpagi matangda Rajya Sabha na ngasi makhatana khanaba hokre khananainabadu da saruk yaraduna ADMK gi Dr. M Thambidurai hai mayek sengba amasung sapchaba electoral roll na ganatantra gi mapangal kankhalhali amasung manung mapan phawna uhanduna voter singda sakti pi man hai mikhal gi vote khom ba haibasi yamna maru eba thabak singi manungda amani aduna rajniti dol singna vote khomna bagi sapchaba khudong chaba pigadabani man hai election commission asi mapangal kanba ganatantra amagi yamna maru eba saru amani YSRCP gi YB Subhare din hai Mikhal gi mong matau simdok pa haibasi leptana satharakpa thawong amani masina Mikhal sinlang achumba lehengadabani Mikhal gi CCTV footage miyamda khanghan ba haibasi tangai phadaba ohengadabani amasung polling station punamakta live web casting gi khudong chaba lehengadabani haina mahakna dabi tawki hojik khananenaba makha chathari pauloi jare